I like your style of speaking. Oh, really? Tell me there, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I am Mexican. Oh, you're from Mexico. Nice meeting you, Danyastek. I am a native Mexican. Take me, so cute. Nice meeting you, Danyastik. Thank you for coming.